My name is Kalinda Harris. I grew up in California, but my family currently lives in Lehi, Utah. I love to read books. This is a picture of me and my brother at Bryce Canyon. My brother just left on his mission yesterday. This is a picture of me and my mom holding a wig that we made out of yarn at a service project in Lehi, Utah, where we live. I'm not usually a crafty person, but occasionally I'll make something that I'm proud of, and this was one of the things that I've made that I was proud of. My top learning style from the Gregorg Learning Delineator activity was concrete sequential, while my second top learning style was abstract sequential. What I learned from this activity is that I am a logical thinker, which doesn't surprise me at all. In the profile description for concrete sequential, it talked about how concrete sequential thinkers are good at remembering facts, and I've always been able to remember just random facts from something I've read or heard in class.